Welcome to this guide on DALF C1. Today, we'll dive into the essentials of the DALF C1 exam, its value, structure, and key preparation tips to help you succeed. Overview of DALF C1. The DALF C1, Diplôme Approfondi de Langue Française, is an advanced French language certification that signifies a high level of fluency. Achieving this level means you can communicate effectively in complex, professional, academic, and social contexts. It's highly respected internationally, recognized by universities and employers, and opens doors to various academic and career opportunities in French-speaking regions. Exam structure. The C1 is divided into 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each part tests a different language skill, with specific tasks that demonstrate your ability to understand and produce sophisticated French. In the listening section, you'll be tested on your comprehension of audio recordings like news segments, interviews, or academic discussions. This part assesses your ability to grasp main ideas, nuances, and implied meanings. The reading component includes texts from articles, essays, or literary pieces on complex topics. This section examines your understanding of both explicit content and subtle nuances, requiring advanced vocabulary and critical thinking. In writing, you'll produce texts like essays or reports on given topics. You'll need to organize ideas clearly, develop arguments, and use advanced grammar structures effectively to demonstrate your ability to express complex ideas. The speaking test involves presenting a topic, defending your viewpoint, and answering questions. Here, you'll be evaluated on fluency, pronunciation, and your capacity to articulate and discuss sophisticated ideas spontaneously. Scoring and passing criteria. Each section is scored out of 25 points, with a total possible score of 100. To pass, you must achieve at least 50 points overall and a minimum of 5 points in each section, ensuring balanced performance across all skills. Preparation tips. For listening, immerse yourself in French media like news, podcasts, and films. Note down main ideas and practice summarizing. This will improve your comprehension and help you handle different accents. To improve reading skills, regularly read advanced French articles and essays, focusing on vocabulary and structure. Try summarizing each piece to reinforce your understanding. For writing, practice essays on various topics, organizing your work with clear introductions, body paragraphs, and conclusions. Use complex sentences and advanced grammar, and review your work for coherence and accuracy. For speaking, discuss complex topics with language partners or tutors. Practicing presenting and defending opinions will help you gain confidence and fluency. Recording yourself can also be helpful for improving pronunciation. Exam day tips. On exam day, arrive early to stay calm and focused. Time management is crucial, so allocate your time wisely for each section and follow instructions carefully. During the speaking section, maintain eye contact and respond naturally to show confidence. Why choose DALF C1? Achieving DALF C1 enhances your career and academic opportunities in French-speaking environments. It's a prestigious credential that certifies advanced proficiency and commitment to mastering French. Beyond the certification, preparing for DALF C1 deepens your cultural understanding and communication skills, enriching your personal and professional life. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this DALF C1 guide. With focus and practice, you can achieve success on your DALF C1 journey.